What is up, guys? It's been a minute since I've recorded or posted a video. We're here with the Civic. Oh shit. So it is let me show you all the date. It is January 30th, 2026. I think the last time I posted a video was in the summer of 2025 with this hard, and it's pretty rough. We got a roll cage. I have like 2 videos in my memory card that I haven't posted or edited at all. A bunch of random shit happened, so I kind of lost the motivation to even post YouTube videos. But honestly, I've been trying to get back into it. I've just been playing too much. I haven't been picking up the camera at all. I haven't even bothered. The Civic has been sitting. Finally got a daily, which I'll show you guys in a different video. I just wanted to make a quick video because the Civic is like taken apart. I haven't driven it since like October, maybe September. Ever since I got that new daily, this car has just been sitting. And then, as you guys could obviously see, well, you guys already saw, it's like a mess in here. And let me show you guys another thing over here. Oh, if it goes, I have the motor taken apart. The reason for that is let me run over here. We got this B20B, if you guys remember about it. I'm finally gonna be putting in the Civic. About damn time I'm doing this shit, bro. I mean, the car's been nothing but issues when I still had it as a daily, but it just started getting worse and worse and worse. And once I got the new daily, I didn't care anymore. But with summer coming up, well, not coming up, but it's soon. It's gonna come by quick. I want to have the car ready. I want to have a fun car for the summer, or try to at least. So my goal is to put the B20 in it, have it running by April, maybe. Depends. I like to procrastinate a lot, so we'll see if it's manageable. April, early May, maybe mid-May. We'll see what we do. But I'm gonna show you guys a little bit of the plans, because you guys can see right there that it has no valve cover. So let me tell you guys the setup. It's a B20B non-VTEC. Has a skunk tube manifold, hybrid racing fuel rail, and a couple things that I picked up while I don't know, I was on this little journey, I guess. I got a coil and plug kit for this setup. I'm also going to be taking the head off soon. I gotta take it to some guy. He's going to be doing some work on the head. He's going to resurface it, do some head work. He's also going to be regrinding the cams. So the Civic is going to be cammed as well. I got some cam gears too, just so I could squeeze some power out. That's what he said. So I'm gonna show you guys my box of goodies. So give me a second. All right, so here we have all the goodies. Right here I have my carbon fiber intake from Password JDM. Over here I got a stage 2 action clutch. And then, ooh, I hope I didn't show my address, but I forgot. I think it's a 9.5 pound flywheel, if I'm not mistaken. Here's the cam gears that I'm going to be running. Some polished ones from Golden Eagle. Here's the distributed delete cap. Oh, what else? Some maintenance shit like oil pump, water pump, seals. Right here we have my fuel pump from Hybrid Racing. I plan on running E85 on this setup, maybe flex, probably flex, so I could still be on 91 and shit. But I don't know, it's gonna be a simple setup. Obviously it's nothing crazy. Y'all probably calling me stupid because I'm doing this all on a non-VTEC, which is cool, you know, it's cool. We're just doing a max effort non-VTEC build on this Johnny. Eventually I'll go VTEC maybe, I don't know. I mean, I just barely started ordering stuff for the motor. I had barely been putting any what's it called, I don't know, but any attention. That's the word. I haven't been putting attention to this, and so until this year now I started doing it, just because of my buddy Sean. That was been yapping about his car. Well, he already finished it, but he was talking about a lot about his car and stuff while I didn't really care about the car stuff for a bit. So with him talking about it, kind of pushed me to, you know, do some work to the Civic now, finally. And then with the whole YouTube stuff, trying to do it now, it's because of my buddy Chris. I don't know if he's watching this, but if he's watching this, hey Pookie, I'm gonna put a picture of him right here. But yeah, he kind of brought it up to me where the videos were. I didn't know he watched it, but he wants me. But yeah, I mean, a lot of stuff. I need to post the videos, the roll cage. I don't want to show too much, but yeah, it's a couple things. I want to rebuild the suspension too while it's down. The door cards, I'm gonna get the ones from LRB, I think. They make some like aluminum ones. I'm gonna get some of those, since I kind of beat my driver's side up, and then I sold the passenger side. What else? I got rid of the wing on it. I got a carbon one. It's actually in my backyard, so when it's time I'll throw that on. Not sure what else. There's a couple things. It's just a simple setup. I've been on side quests these past few months. This past half year, I guess. The last half of 2025. Bunch of side quests, you know. But this year I'm gonna try to push it with this car. I told myself that I was gonna try to push it in general this year. I've been calling myself Mr. Make It Happen, because I've been making shit happen. Like, I wanted to go to New York, and I went to New York. I went by myself, actually. I went for New Year's. I went for a whole week. Made that happen. I don't know, a bunch of random shit. Like this Civic. I'm gonna make it happen this year. Finally, the swap. It's happening right now, as we speak. And then, I have a very big goal on this. Once the setup is all done, and I've, you know, kind of tested it to see if it's reliable or not. But I want to take a trip on it up to NorCal, San Francisco. See if it could do it. I've always wanted to do it in the Civic. I just never trusted the setup, but maybe now I'll probably be able to make that goal happen. But we'll see. Quick solo road trip. If something happens, so I'll get something happens. If I get murked out there, I get murked out there. But it's whatever, you know. We're in it. Now I got some other things going on for this upcoming year. I think it'll be cool. It's still car related stuff. So I don't know. It's gonna be a little quick churn on the channel. Not a quick churn. It's just a little switch of pace of content. But I don't know. I'm just kind of yapping, if I'm gonna be honest. I mean, the Civic's here, you know. Basically, where I'm going with this video is that I'm gonna try the Civic's finally getting swapped this year. I'm gonna try to push it more a little bit on content, kinda. Little swap series. But I don't know. We'll see where we go with it this year. I got a daily that I also want to do a little bit of things on. I kind of already did a couple things on it, to be honest. I got a 2014 IS350 F Sport. I already lowered it, tint, but I mean, other than that, I still got a couple things I'd like to do to it. I wanted to put like a lip, maybe wheels. Well, for sure wheels, but I think it would all be after the Civic, maybe in between. I don't know. Depends on money's flowing. I've been hustling, so money's good. That's why we're kind of doing the swap. I don't know, side quest. I don't know. I'm just fucking yapping, if I'm gonna be honest. But yeah, we got a lot of stuff here for the Civic, and I got more sensors on the way and a couple other things. Gonna be taking the head apart, and probably sometime these next couple days after work, because I need to take it to the guy. My valve cover, I already sent it to get cut off for the gears, so I could be able to adjust them. Yeah, and then we just need to tear it down and do all the seals and everything. Should be, I don't know, should be A1 sauce. I want to repaint the engine bay as well. Repaint the engine bay, clean it up, you know, make it look clean, not so clapped out. But we'll see. That's pretty much gonna be it for this video. I mean, it's just a quick update video, guys. Let's see if I even edit it tonight, maybe tomorrow, we'll see. But hope y'all have a good one. I hope y'all miss me. But y'all have a good one. Thank y'all for watching. Quick thing, this next video is gonna be it's gonna be about the roll cage, y'all, so y'all stay alert. I'm just setting up the thumbnail. But yeah, so if y'all see the next video, I'm gonna be in the same outfit finishing off the video. Yeah, and then there's gonna be another video, and it's y'all will see.